Recording.
It doesn't have to be like that. It has to be normal. All right. Okay. What are you doing? Is it filming or not? Just stop that.
Can you not see the light?
Alright, bro, be serious, dudes.
Let's be natural. All right.
Is it recording?
Yeah. Will you sit down?
Don't blush.
I can't do this when you do that. Just go sit down.
Let me
It's
see
normal.
that shit
It's
out
not a
of
big deal.
Shut up.
Be bullshit for me. Wiping their
Just
hand
sit there and shut up.
All right.
This ain't no democracy.
Well, this ain't doing it. All right. So what does replicate mean?
Isn't it by...
Duplicate. Yeah, duplicate or copy.
Yeah.
All right.
Yes, sir.
All right. What does transcribe mean? What do you know what a transcriptionist is?
No.
It's a person in courts, and when you talk out loud, they type it off.
Oh, shit, yeah.
So they change the information. So transcribe means change the information. They change it from oral information to written information. So transcribe means to change information. Oops, sorry about that, G. Okay, what does translate mean?
Translate?
Yeah.
Oh, to change information into words? No,
To change information.
To a different language?
Yeah, from one language to another. So translate. Here, I'll just write that. So change forms of information. I'll put because languages are just forms of conveying information different ways. Information. All right. So these three words, they have common meanings, and these are their common meanings. Now we're going to look at their meanings in the context of DNA. All right, so we talked about replicate. Replicates to copy, right? Okay, so that's when DNA copies itself. So transcribe changes information. That's when DNA changes information from the information that's on the DNA to information on RNA. All right? And then translate. That's when the RNA changes the information from the information that's on the RNA to amino acids. Okay, so that's the process of translation. So,
Do not look into the camera.
I didn't. Alright. So, we're going to talk about this. First of all, DNA has all of the information in the body. So all the information that makes you unique to everything that you have that everyone else has. So DNA told Ebolino to have black hair, okay, and it also told his heart to develop normally. It tells his heart when to beat. It told his skeleton how to grow. So DNA has everything that makes you unique and everything that makes you common. It has everything. It tells your body to develop and to function the way it does.
What does RNA do?
RNA is transcribed. So RNA takes the information. First of all, where is DNA kept?
DNA is
In the nucleus.
It's in the nucleus. And then...
But doesn't chromosomes make DNA?
No, chromosomes are made up of DNA.
Oh, chromosomes
All right.
are made up of DNA.
All right, where are amino acids put into proteins?
In the
In
ribosomes.
the ribosome.
I'm a mother school boy.
Hey, fool, you can't be cussing on that.
Man, I'm a school boy, fool. Leave me alone.
All right, just be yourselves, guys. All right, so... Okay, so you asked about RNA. So we've got information in the nucleus. Now the information gets transcribed onto the RNA through a process called transcription. The RNA comes out to the ribosome and tells the ribosome which amino acids to make. And those amino acids are made into proteins.
Do not look in the camera.
Okay. So then these proteins are made, and they control how your body functions. They tell your body to make brown eyes. They tell your body to function normally. So that all originates in the DNA. All right, so we'll get into all that. All right.
That's fucking crazy, man.
Yeah, DNA has all the information in the body. Okay, that's what the DNA molecule looks like. Have you guys seen it?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Evelina, you're driving me crazy, dude. Just sit.
Fool! Oh my god.
Just...
Why'd you let him do this? It's like the worst person lets him.
Because I'm a
You did a
school
good
boy.
job last time.
Alright, well then don't be fucking moving like you're out of some fucking quinceañera or something.
Why not?
What is that?
A Kissamanera.
What is it?
Like a Sweet 16.
It's like a sweet 16.
Oh, yeah. Okay, so DNA is made up of nucleic acids, okay? These are the three components in a nucleic acid. sugar, a base, and a phosphate. So know those three things. Make up nucleic acids, and nucleic acids are what make up DNA. DNA has 2 strands. How many strands does RNA have?
1.
1, yes. All right. Okay, so DNA has 2 strands that are held together by hydrogen bonds. These are hydrogen bonds here. Do you know how hydrogen bonds work? What do we know about opposite charges?
That one's a negative, one's a positive?
Yeah, and they attract, right?
Yes.
Hydrogen bonds are opposite charges that attract, and they hold the DNA together, there's 2 strands. And it forms a shape called a double helix. Alright. So what does complement mean?
Completes.
Yeah, it completes. Good.
See, I'm schoolboy.
So if we're talking about a DNA strand, this is one DNA strand, and here's its complementary strand. So in other words, that's the other strand it needs to make it complete. Alright, so we need to know the term complementary so before we move on. So, because I want to be using that word a lot when we're talking about DNA. So the complementary strand is the opposite one, and it completes the DNA. Okay. So, Evelyn, you know this. What's the complementary strand in that piece of DNA there?
CTT CG.
C.
No, I mean CG.
Yeah. Very good. Alright, so that would be the complementary strand. It's the opposite bases. So, what binds to G?
C
What binds to A?
T.
T. Alright.
And for RNA, instead of A, B, and T, A is U.
Yep. Very good. A, U, and G, C. So this is kind of confusing. Don't worry, we're going to go over this. So don't
Okay,
worry
why
about
is
it.
GAGCTTGC? What does that mean?
That's your DNA molecules.
This is the DNA, so these are the bases. Remember I said one of the 3 parts of DNA is the bases? The nitrogenous bases? These are the bases. So the complementary strand will be opposite. Okay? So how long has it been? So it's supposed to be 5 minutes. Has it been 5 minutes?
It's 7:25.
Oh, stop.